We are Yansourcing, a leading sourcing agent company who help customers source products, manage production, inspect goods, and manage shipping to make importing from China quickly and safely. Today, I'm sharing the top product development strategies that will help you launch winning products in 2025. First, focus on solving real problems, not following trends. We support you end-to-end: research, quality, and delivery. Research your target market deeply before you even think about sourcing. Second, prioritize quality over quick profits. We've seen thousands of sellers succeed by investing in proper quality control from day one. Map top 5 customer pains in your niche and turn each into a product requirement. Cross-check pains with demand data, search trends, marketplace volume, and review keywords. Extract recurring complaints from top sellers and design a fix that is obvious and demonstrable. Prioritize must-haves first. Defer nice-to-haves to version 2. Define one ideal customer avatar with clear use cases, budget, and purchase triggers. Pre-validate with a simple landing page and a small paid test to measure click and sign-up rates. If apparel, lock sizing up front. Use a size conversion chart and limit returns with accurate guides. Position against competitors on value and differentiation. Avoid a race to the bottom. Specify materials, tolerances, and finish. Quality happens when specs are measurable. Design stress tests that mirror real life. Drops, abrasion, heat, moisture. Use AQL sampling for pre-shipment inspections to keep defect rates predictable. Standardize colors under the same lighting conditions to prevent mismatch claims. Third, build relationships with reliable suppliers early. The best products come from partnerships, not transactions. Send complete RFQs, drawings, quantities, target price, compliance needs, and packaging. Shortlist specialized OEM, ODM factories by category expertise, not just price. Fourth, plan for scalability from the start. Your initial order should test the market, but your supplier should handle growth. Plan inventory buffers, reorder triggers, and dual sourcing for key components. Model lead times with seasonality, holidays, and port congestion to avoid stockouts. Finally, never skip the inspection phase. Use pre-production, inline, and pre-shipment checks to catch defects early. Confirm certifications and labeling before mass run, CE, FCC, CPSIA, or required marks. Test packaging for transit, drop, vibration, and humidity so goods arrive pristine. Quality issues can destroy your brand overnight. Factor the true cost of defects, returns, ads wasted, and star rating decay. Run root cause analyses with suppliers and lock corrective actions into your PO terms. Tie payments to inspection results to align incentives on quality. Footwear, validate fit and outsole durability. Request wear tests across sizes. Apparel, ensure grade rules and measurement tolerances are factory understood. Lingerie, prioritize fabric hand feel, stretch recovery, and stitching density. Electronics, request burn-in testing and lot traceability for components. Choose shipping terms that fit your scale. DDP for simplicity, FOB if you manage freight. Sync your launch with inventory land dates. Avoid going live before stock clears QA. Price with a full landed cost model and keep 25-40% gross margin after promos. Document your SOP so first launch becomes a repeatable playbook for 2025. Do you have any questions about the import process? Visit our website yansourcing.com or send us an email at info@yansourcing.com. I'd love to help.